Yo, what's going on? All right, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you could use the original Binance, Binance.com, rather than Binance.us, which doesn't have all the cryptos listed that we want to trade, okay? So basically, what you got to do is change your IP address, which I use a tool for that. I'm going to share it in a second. I'll share my screen, show you how to use it. But basically, Binance, they parted ways with the US, some kind of regulation bullshit. And now there's two separate websites for Binance. So a lot of people, when I'm saying, oh, buy this coin, they can't buy it because they're on Binance.us. I'm using Binance.com. And basically what you gotta do to get around, the restrictions for Binance.com for the United States people, basically what you gotta do is change your IP address.
I know it sounds a little sneaky, but it is what it is.
Change your IP address and make it look like you're logging in from a different country, okay? So there's this one tool that I use. It's just a VPN. You could use any VPN. Basically just changes your IP address. It makes it look like you're logging in from somewhere that you're not. And yeah, that'll give you access to Binance.com, which is the one we want to use. The one that I, trade with. The software that I use, the VPN, it's called VPN, Virtual Private Network. The VPN I use is called ExpressVPN. So I think it was like 50 bucks. Just go through their website real quick, click Get ExpressVPN. It's even cheaper, there you go. 10 bucks for 12 months, all right? So boom, once you buy that, you're gonna have to download a little software, okay? So download the software real quick, and it's pretty damn simple once you get it. So once you get it, it's gonna look like this. You see up top, this little logo right here. So this is the ExpressVPN extension, okay? So let me just pop this up for you real quick. This is what it looks like when you're using it. So now it says not connected. That means whatever website I'm going to, it's showing my US address, where I'm from. So it's showing that I'm in New Jersey right now. So if I go to log into Binance.com right now, it's not gonna let me because it sees the US address, okay? It might let me log in, but it's not gonna let me buy anything. It's not gonna let me buy any coins because I'm in the US and I have to be using Binance.us instead of Binance.com, okay? So what you gotta do is select a location, right? So the location I use, Netherlands, Amsterdam, okay? And yeah, that's the one I use. Binance.com is available in the Netherlands, so I use that one. And then all you gotta do is click connect, boom. Watch this thing turn on and boom. Now, current location, I'm in the Netherlands right now, okay? So now let's go to Binance.com and I will show you anything somebody that's allowed you. Boom. So you see I'm on Binance.com. I'm on this VPN, right? ExpressVPN's connected. Boom, now I could go to my wallet. And we could see, obviously you're gonna see some numbers here, but it's okay. And yeah, you see these are all the coins that I got right now in this Binance account. I do have a lot of money in Trust Wallet, which is basically an app. You can see it right here, download that. And yeah, that's pretty much how you use this damn thing. While you're in the US. So like I said, all you gotta do is go buy this VPN, set it up, make an account, and then select a location. You don't have to select Amsterdam like I did. That's just the one I use. You can use that one, be my guest. It works for me. And then yeah, you could just have all of your stuff. And you could send Bitcoin or whatever over to this Bitcoin address, and then you could start trading from there, right? So if we go to markets, I can literally trade all of these coins, which probably aren't on Binance.us, all right? So that's pretty much how you do it, guys. It's that simple. and you could take advantage of all of these coins rather than just the ones on Binance.us, okay? So that's how you do it. I hope this helped. I hope I didn't leave anything out. And yeah, that's pretty much how you get on Binance.com being in the US. So enjoy. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to help you out, or shoot me a message on Instagram at RealJPelly. And I will see you guys on the next one. Next video, maybe I'll show you how to buy some share token, which a lot of people are confused about, which is a coin that I'm heavily invested in and still waiting for it. I think it's gonna go to $1 this year. So I'll see you guys later. On that note, peace.